Hey, welcome to my next town.
Welcome to my next town. Oh, oh. Welcome to my next town. Oh, oh. I will write about my next town. Oh yeah. Because I am a town explorer.
Grabe. So cool. And this is my first solo Walmart shopping here in America. So nakagasto ako ng... Ayan. Ready na tayong mag-shopping. I just see the photo of the flag.
Oh no, I was talking about the little boy that
Hey, welcome to my next town here in Eastlander, Texas, and papunta na ako sa aming apartment. Ano bang ginawa namin ngayon? Kwentuhan tayo ng mga kakwentuhan. Ang ginawa namin ngayon ay pumunta kami sa bangko. Yung unang pinuntahan namin na bangko, hindi ako papayagan na makakuha ng account kasi wala pa akong social security number, which is very important here in America. Hindi ka makakagalaw, hindi ka makakakuha ng credit cards, bank accounts. So, umalis kami, pupunta kami sa kabilang bank, Maverick Banks. Nakipag-usap yung aming administrator na ayusin yung account ko kasi kailangan namin talaga ng bank accounts para makapagbayad ako doon sa apartment ko. Now, ginawa na ng paraan. So, pending my SSN number, they process my paper, pero hindi pa nila mapupush through. So kailangan talaga yung SSN, Social Security Number. So yun, magkakaroon ako ng first bank account dito sa Amerika. Ikalawa, pupunta kami sa Verizon. Doon sa service provider siya ng mobile internet data at saka mobile services. Pupunta kami doon. So nakakuha ako ng plan for like $65. Pero parang ano siya bumaba siya, so $45 a month yung aking mobile data at saka mobile phone call and text services na unlimited lahat. Tapos nakakuha pa ako ng internet at around $100 something. I-review ko mamaya. So home internet ko yun sa Verizon. So that's it, pretty much it. And then, pumunta ako sa Walmart, my first Walmart experience. Nag-shopping kami ng mga kakailanganin namin para sa winter.
I chose West Texas for the chill vibe over a beer. I chose West Texas for the vast space like freedom. I chose West Texas for the warm people in winter. I chose Texas because it's easy in the west part. I chose West Texas for the laid-back town of Snyder. I chose West Texas because I am curious of El Paso. I chose West Texas for the pretty girls of Lubbock. I chose Texas because it's easy in the west part. Choosing West Texas is so easy. The rural vibe is for the introvert in me. Choosing West Texas is for free drinking a beer at the oil fields refinery. West Texas is for the handsome guys who run the cotton fields. West Texas is for the hot Hispanic women with big eyelashes. West Texas is for the pretty white girl who owns a family ranch. West Texas is for the explorer, the town explorer.
At naganap ako guys ng timba at saka tabo. Walang tabo. So nagtataka yung ano ko, yung yung administrator ko, bakit daw anong hinahanap ko? So I said deeper. So iba yung sinasabi niyang deeper, hindi niya mai-explain. Pero hindi ko din mai-explain kung ano yun. Kasi kapag pinunta ko yung picture, hindi niya alam yung size eh. So ako na naghanap, ang hinanap ko na lang is parang picture siya. Parang picture siya, iba't ibang size na pwede mong gamitin para, wait lang, wala ko, na pwede mong gamitin na pangtabo. Yun na lang yung ano ko. So ayun, ano pa ba? At tapos inikot-ikot niya ako sa hospital. Na-meet ko din pala yung chief nurse namin, yung aking supervisor sa ER, at saka yung mga doktor. Na-meet ko si Dr. Evans, family med, mga naalala ko kasi si Dr. Evans kasi nakipag-meet siya sa akin at nakipag-table siya sa akin eh. Tapos masarap siyang kausap, marami siyang sinasabi about Texas. This is it. Oh my God, it's so cold. Tapos, kasla ko apay. Ay, kasla ko ah. Is this snow? Hindi, moist eh. Hindi naman rain. Is it rain? Siguro rain dito eh. Tugod to. Aman rain. Or landao siguro. I don't know. It's my first time to have a winter, so I don't know. Ayan. Wow, I love the mist. It's relaxing too, somehow.